Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to set up your selling account for Amazon. If you're new here, welcome. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Okay, so to get things started, you want to go to www.sellercentral.amazon.com. And that is again sellercentral.amazon.com. And once you make it there, you're going to want to click this link right here that says register now. And after you've done that, it will bring you to this page. And on this page, you're going to want to click start selling. This yellow button right here in the middle. Click that. And then the following page will be where you create your account. So here you're going to add your name, your email, password. And after that, you're going to want to click next. And then it will bring you to this page right here. And in this page here, you want to set up your selling account information, such as your business name, your phone number, a credit card where they can bill you for the $39.99 a month if you're going to go professional, and your tax information. So that way they can use your information so that you can pay taxes at the end of the year. And then you just enter this information here, click next, follow the prompts, and it's pretty self-explanatory. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and thank you so much.